Hi, it's Perry here from Geelong Handmade. In the last couple of videos I showed individual pieces like this coming off the printer and being cleaned up. In this video I'm going to clean these two up at the same time and then show you what they're used for. I'll show you the prototype that's already been printed of the whole item, but first I need to get these cleaned up. So let's pull some of this off. Now you're probably wondering why there's so much material on the bottom. It might make sense to print it like that to reduce the amount of waste that this has created rather than like that. The reason is that there's a curved edge, a nice curved edge here, which is going to be in the final product that I'm putting together once it's assembled, so I wanted that to be as nice in terms of quality as possible. So this didn't matter so much to me, and I'm prepared to forego using a little bit more filament to get that nice finish on the top that I was after. Let's pull these last few out. Now some of you may already know what this is. Let me just pause this, clean up, and I'll come back. Okay, so it's pretty obvious that these two pieces are going to go together, right? They sit together like that. They will have, when I'm finished with them, some dowels in them, so these are dowel holes, right? I need to enlarge them just a tiny bit to make them all fit, right? And they'll go together. This will be the finished product. I've got some other ideas about what I'm going to do with the surfaces. You'll have to wait and see. And this is the prototype piece for the item that I'm building. And you can see that I've got some, this is pretty rough. And, you know, I printed it using fairly fast mode and then modified it a little bit, put some notes on here and so on. The actual finished item will be something like this. And this is called a Flying V style guitar. So the pieces that you've seen me print in the previous episodes or previous videos were these two, and now printed these two. Except I've just realised that the pieces that I've just printed, these ones, don't have these rings on top. So that's an oversight. When I didn't print them, it means I didn't bring them into the slicer properly, but that's okay. I'll print these separately and then glue them on. Darn. Anyway, so that's the idea. These pieces are going to go in here. I've already printed this piece. It wasn't great quality the first time, so I might print this again. This particular piece, I'm waiting for a neck to turn up for the guitar. This will be a bolt-on neck, and I'll print that once I have the neck, which is should be here in the next day or so, just to make sure everything fits, and then I'll be printing this piece. You can see that you know, there's room here for some pickups, there's some pass-throughs for strings and all sorts of things. So this is the prototype that I did. Pretty rough, but it does the job in terms of me working out where everything goes and producing something which will look decent when it's finally done. If you like this and you want to follow the progress, please like it and subscribe. Thanks.